How's it going, everyone? My name is JJ, and today what I thought would be fun to do is going over an old video but taking out all the music and just listen to audio. Okay, so I'm here on Premiere Pro, which is what I use to edit my videos, and I'm gonna have to try and find the old Premiere Pro 9. Aha! Alright, here we go. Here is all the videos I've ever made. Year in Review Facebook, Year in Review 2019 Twitter. I'm gonna guess it's that one. It's not this one. So maybe it's Year in Review Twitter, this one. Now, this is taking a while to load. This is promising. Locate media. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus Christ. Wow. Okay, that's one heck of a video. If I not realised the length I went to for this video. Holy. Oh, my God. That might be there. Year in Review 2019 Facebook. I think this is it. I think this is it, boys. After 11 minutes of looking, what are we missing? A picture. Okay. That's fine. Right, look at that memory. Look at that. What the hell? Look at this. So, in that, I've got some stuff muted and some stuff not. So I thought it'd be interesting, and like this one, for example, is the audio from this, but overlaying. I treated it almost like a Foley noise. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly re-edit this, tweak it a little bit, and we're going to mute this track, and we're going to have it as audio only. Okay, so I've gone through and I've sorted out the video now. So we have got all the clips that are just audio with their correct audio with no music. This gives us a nice raw version of the year in review video, just to give a different perspective on it all. So here is my year in review video for 2019, but with no music, just raw audio. Enjoy. Oh, we went for oh wow. Record.
Someone asked me
Where is it? We're gonna pass. Yeah! Let's go! B-Dog! Let's go! Boys, good effort, mate. Oh, cheers, lads.
Go on, G.
Looks so cool. I think so.
Very shortly, here's John James.